Do you want to make money online with CPA marketing, but you don't know where to start? Are you looking to build an agency or a one-man show with services that charge retainer fees of $5,000 plus per month? Hey everybody, welcome back to Affiliate 101. Today we're learning how to start doing CPA with no experience. Let's get started. So first, what is CPA marketing? CPA stands for Cost Per Acquisition. In a business, the amount of money you spend attempting to get customers versus the average sell per customer gives you the cost per acquisition. For example, if it takes you around $20 to acquire one customer to your business, then your CPA would be $20. Step 1. Learn how to run Facebook ads. In order to do CPA marketing, you will first need to learn how to run ads or spend your money and hire someone who is an expert at running ads on social media. During this period of learning, it is imperative that you build your portfolio by getting experience and possibly working with companies for free. If you are hiring someone to do this job for you, it would be smart to leverage their portfolio when showing the results that you can get. For example, if you log in to Upwork and clicked on a seller's profile, you can see all of their education and employment history. Along with reviews, the profile will also detail previous projects they've worked on, various skill sets, and other experiences that relate to the job. Step 2. Build a website. There are many platforms that you can use for this. Below, I will list links to some of my favorite and some of the easiest website builders out there. For beginners, I normally recommend WordPress, Bluehost, ClickFunnels, and Wix. Although ClickFunnels is pricey at $97 per month, we here at Affiliate 101 believe the software is worth every penny. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the video where I explain why ClickFunnels is one of the best marketing platforms in the world. When you build this website, you will also be building your brand. This is your chance to pick team colors logos and the name for your company. Want to know an easy growth hack for your business? When designing your website, make sure to incorporate the color blue. Blue is often talked about in business as a marketing strategy that alludes to security and stability. This will help to establish customer trust, one of the best marketing tools in history. We want to make sure our website includes a nice banner, talks about our mission statement, provides contact information, lists all the necessary legal pages at the bottom, including, but not limited to privacy policies, refund policies, terms and conditions, etc. Step 4. Build your prospective client list. Start making cold calls and going into local businesses. There are benefits to either action. Cold calling, you will get a lot of rejection, but not only does it build character and grit when getting that one yes, you are also increasing your options of business partners by going worldwide. Like Mark Cuban says, it doesn't matter how many times you have failed, you only have to be right once. Now, before putting new clients in your pipeline, make sure they are qualified for the service you are offering. Depending on what you are offering, be sure to write out a small 1 to 5 question survey to see if you and your client are a good match to work together. Some things you can ask them maybe. How much additional revenue are you looking to acquire? What is your advertising budget? How much monthly revenue are you doing right now? What are your revenue goals when working with our company? Are you doing any kind of digital marketing currently? Anything along these lines will give some great insight. Pro tip: when it comes to closing, make sure to always ask your clients questions the first time you meet. Even if you will be outsourcing the service you are offering, you want to make sure you give your partner confidence that you are competent at your craft. Step 5. Develop a simple CRM. If you're new to the term, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. You'll want to organize your list of prospective clients as they come in. A CRM allows you to move people, align your pipeline, and out if necessary. The definition of a pipeline in business is the movement of a client from prospect to customer. It is as important to have new prospects continuously entering your pipeline as it is to have people moving out of your pipeline. Step 6. Develop a contract. Once you get your first customer, you'll want to get them into a binding agreement for a retainer fee of your choice. Now the big question, what should you charge them? As a beginner, be confident of your worth, but don't lose out on a good deal being stubborn. Negotiate to make this a win-win for you and your client. Depending on how much value you bring to the table, don't be afraid to charge at least 10% of sales you bring to the business. For example, if a company increases its revenues $25,000 because of your marketing services, be sure to charge at least $2,500 each month. The more clients you have, the more you'll make. Pro tip: try getting your clients to enter into an at least 3-month contract for your services on a retainer fee. This way, you will be given a notice if a client has to for any reason cut your services. Step 7. Do the service or hire someone else to do it. Congrats! You've finally gotten your first client. Now it is time to perform the service that you learned in Step 2. If you would rather spend your money instead of your time, hire someone on Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. I will list below a coupon for 20% off your first Fiverr gig. Depending on the service, you can hire someone to run ads as little as $20 a week. We hope this video helped you a ton. If you enjoyed that, you'll love these videos too.